Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve under root under root x is equals to 3 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So first I am doing squaring both sides. With the help of this square root eliminates. So x times under root x is equals to 9. Now again I am doing squaring both sides. So first is x square, and with the help of this square root eliminates. So x under root x is equals to 9 times 9. Again I am doing squaring both sides. So it becomes x power 4, x power 2, and this square root eliminates. 9 times 9 times 9 times 9. Now we can add all the powers. 4 plus 2 plus 1 is equals to 9. We can write it as 3 times 3. So x power 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 1 7 is equals to 3 power 8. So I'm going to multiply with power 1 by 7 both sides. So the value of x is 3 power 8 by 7. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel.